Meet Sarah, a marketing manager at a growing company. She's drowning in data. Spreadsheets upon spreadsheets, customer information, sales figures, marketing campaign results. It's overwhelming. Manually updating, analyzing, and creating reports takes hours, leaving limited time for strategic thinking. Does this sound familiar? Many professionals like Sarah struggle with similar challenges. They are experts in their fields, but feel held back by inefficient data management practices. The sheer volume of information can feel paralyzing, leading to missed opportunities and decreased productivity. But what if there was a way to transform this data chaos into a source of valuable insights? What if, instead of dreading spreadsheets, you could unlock their true potential and make data-driven decisions with confidence? KCOM Academy's Microsoft Excel Data Management Program is designed to empower professionals like Sarah to conquer data challenges and excel in their roles. This comprehensive program provides the skills and knowledge to effectively organize, analyze, and visualize data using the powerful tools within Microsoft Excel. Our expert instructors with years of real-world experience guide you step by step through the intricacies of Excel, transforming you from a data novice to a confident data champion. Forget tedious manual work and unlock the time-saving automation features that will revolutionize your workflow. Whether you're just starting your data journey or looking to enhance your existing skills, our program caters to all levels. We provide a supportive and interactive learning environment where you can ask questions, share experiences, and build a network of like-minded professionals. Throughout this transformative program, you'll master essential data management techniques, including organizing and managing datasets. Learn how to efficiently import, clean, and structure data from various sources, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Say goodbye to messy spreadsheets and hello to streamlined data management. Automating calculations and workflows. Discover the power of Excel functions and formulas to automate repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time and reducing the risk of errors. Let Excel do the heavy lifting while you focus on what matters most. Creating dynamic dashboards. Transform raw data into insightful visualizations with interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards. Communicate your findings effectively and impress your stakeholders with professional-looking reports. By the end of this program, you'll be equipped with the skills to confidently tackle any data challenge that comes your way. From overwhelmed to empowered, imagine Sarah after completing the KCOM Academy program. She now approaches her data with confidence, effortlessly navigating spreadsheets and extracting valuable insights. Her reports are clear, concise, and visually compelling, impressing her colleagues and superiors alike. This transformation is within your reach. Our program empowers you to increase productivity by streamlining your workflow, automating tasks, and gaining valuable time to focus on strategic initiatives. You can make data-driven decisions, confidently analyze data, identify trends, and make informed decisions that drive results. Boost your career by enhancing your skill set, becoming a valuable asset to your team, and unlocking new career opportunities. Don't let data overwhelm you. Take control and unlock your full potential with KCOM Academy's Microsoft Excel Data Management Program. Take charge of your data journey. Ready to embark on your data transformation journey? KCOM Academy offers flexible training options to suit your needs. Join our public workshops and learn alongside other professionals in an interactive setting. Or empower your entire team with customized in-house team training delivered at your convenience. Our dedicated team is here to guide you every step of the way. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more and register for the program. Don't wait. Transform your data management skills and unlock a world of opportunities with KCOM Academy.